Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make egg chops. So while making the egg chops, I will show you the ingredients. I have taken 5 boiled eggs here, 5 boiled potatoes which I am going to mash it up now. And then the rest what I have to do I will show you stepwise. So come on, let us start this recipe now. So first of all I will mash the potatoes. If you like my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Mash the potatoes well. The potatoes are mashed up. Now I'll put fine cut up onions and chilies, green chilies. I'll put it in it. I've cut up garlic. I've taken 2-3 pods and cut it up in pieces in this kind. Put the salt to taste and mix the potato mash well. This is ready. Keep this aside. Now I will get ready with the batter. Put some besan. Put some salt. Put 1 pinch baking soda. Some chili powder. And mix it well. Don't make the batter very thin or very thick. Let it be medium. The batter is ready. Besan batter. Keep it aside. Now I will cut the eggs. I will cut the eggs in 2 halves. This type I will cut the eggs in 2 halves. Like this I have cut the eggs into 2 halves. Now I will do the coating of the eggs with this potato smash. So I have taken 1 piece of egg. Now I'll put the potato on this type. See, this type. This type I will do the coating of the eggs. This type I have done the coating. Now I'll dip it in the basin and fry it. I'll put some more oil in this. While the oil is turning hot, I will put all the chops in this basin, this type. Dip it like this and I'll put it to fry. The chops are turned nice and brown. Now I'll take it out. Put some tomato ketchup. Egg chops are ready to be eaten. Hot. Very tasty, yummy, delicious. Thank you for watching my video.